On behalf of ISKCON Girls Forum, I welcome one and all for this cultural feast. We would like to present a humble offering to Srimati Radharani. ISKCON Girls Forum was founded on December 2022 with four girls on board: Tejaswini, Nandini, Vishnupriya and Shreya. Grateful to these girls who have been the founder members and are still committed strongly to Srila Prabhupada's mission. Very soon we had many youth girls who joined the session. In January 2024, His Grace Narari Chaitanya Prabhu gave it a formal structure with a core committee consisting of 4 Matajis: Rachandrika Mataji, Swapnarati Mataji, Amala Bhakti Mataji and myself, and 5 senior girls: Sumukhi Sri Radha Mataji, Bhakti Sri Rachana, Bhakti Himani, Snehamati Vijayashri Mataji and Radhika Prem Mataji. We framed a broader vision for the ISKCON Girls Forum. It was to provide every youth girl an environment with love, care and togetherness that enables her to discover herself, her true spiritual self and her relation with the Supreme. With the mission of the ISKCON Girls Forum being to encourage and help young and enthusiastic girls to come together to form a forum that fosters an environment of true friendship, cooperation and a sense of belonging through systematic and structural spiritual discussions on Krishna conscious philosophy, participation in temple programs and by engaging in other temple activities. As time flew, 2 of the Matajis went ahead for some other service commitments, and amongst the 4 girls today we have Bhakti Himani, Snehavati Vijayashri Mataji, while others had to take a break due to their career pursuits and marriage. We are deeply grateful to them for their unparalleled contribution to the ISKCON Girls Forum and have full faith and confidence that wherever they are now or later, they will be able to take this journey forward and bring many more souls closer to the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. His Grace Narari Chaitanya Prabhu then entrusted 2 more senior Matajis, Her Grace Sampakrata Mataji and Her Grace Shitlangi Mataji. We have in total around 170 girls on board the ISKCON Girls Forum, and most of them are at various levels in their spiritual journey. On this auspicious day of Radhashtami, we would like to offer a humble offering by the youth girls who have taken the full honors of this presentation, which they will be performing before you all for the pleasure of Srimati Radharani and all assembled devotees. Seeking the blessing so that we are able to enrich the girls and be with them while they ride on this path. While the girls will be soon performing, I request Snehavati Vijayashri Mataji to come over and present regarding the ongoing activities of the food forum. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Radha Bhakti Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Radha Ashtami Mahotsav ki. Srila Prabhupada ki. It gives me immense pleasure to just stand here and talk about our very own ICC Girls Forum. So I would like to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to His Grace Narari Prabhuji and the temple management for giving us this forum which provides a space to learn and grow. The ICC Girls Forum is specially designed for young girls with a mission to provide a loving space where girls feel supported, cared for and valued, while helping them discover their relationship with Krishna and inspiring them to apply spiritual values in their daily lives. What began as a small group of 10 to 15 people has now blossomed into a family of more than 170 members bound together by deep friendship and shared service. Over the past year, the girls have actively participated in various temple services, from painting beautiful pots for Panihati festival, distributing books, assisting in kitchen seva, DT dress and jewelry making, to coordinating also organized a vibrant stall featuring interactive games, puzzles, quizzes, and a very special service, making Gopi Dots, all offered for the love and the pleasure of their lordships. Through these services, our girls have found immense joy, learning, and spiritual growth. For this, we remain ever grateful to the temple management and all the devotees for their continuous encouragement and support. We humbly seek the blessings of Sri Sri Jagannath Baldev Subhadramai, Sri Sri Gaur Sundar Nityanand Natwar, and our very own Sri Sri Radha Vinod, and all the assembled devotees here for our journey ahead. For now, moving on with today's cultural presentation. Are you all excited? One more big Haribol. Okay. We bring to you this graceful dance drama from the land of Raja, portraying the eternal love of Radha and Krishna and the role of gopis in uniting them. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
In the sacred land of Raja, where the Yamuna glides gently and the peacocks dance in ecstasy, a divine event unfolded. In the village of Ravan, King Rishabhanu and Queen Kirtida were blessed with a daughter of golden hue, a child more radiant than thousands of suns, so serene, so divine, yet her eyes remained closed. Days turned into weeks. The villagers whispered, "Why does the child not see the world?" But this was no ordinary child. She was no ordinary being, and her eyes were waiting only for one vision. She was Srimati Radharani, Krishna's own Hiladini Shakti, the eternal embodiment of divine love. And she was waiting for her beloved, for Krishna, the soul of her soul. And then the moment arrived. When Nanda Maharaj brought baby Krishna to visit King Rishabhanu, the golden child opened her eyes for the first time, because those eyes were meant only for him. Since then, Braja seemed to blossom anew. The forest danced with joy, the birds sang with devotion, and even Krishna, the master of all hearts, was touched in a way never seen before. For Srimati Radharani is not merely his consort. She is Krishna's very heart, the supreme reservoir of devotion, the one who controls even the controller of all. Even the all-powerful, self-satisfied Lord becomes enchanted, completely captivated by her selfless love. And today, on the special occasion of Radha Ashtami, we offer a humble tribute, a glimpse into one of her eternal divine pastimes. The Queen of Vrindavan, the very essence of Bhakti, Vrindavaneshwari Srimati Radharani ki! Vrindavaneshwari Srimati Radharani ki! Vrindavaneshwari Srimati Radharani ki!
taka din tha din ta takin 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 taka din tha holi hai din ta takin 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 taka din tha holi hai takin 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 taka din tha holi hai takin 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 din tha आई है ब्रज के कमालों की टोली राधा के संग हम तो खेलेंगे होली मनवार थोड़ी सी थोड़ी बरजोरी माने नहीं अरे माने नहीं गोरी बस में न आए
within. Yet, deep inside she knows Shyamasundara will never let this rest. Still, she will not yield so easily. The gopis watch in silence, sensing both the heat of her displeasure and the spark of his mischief. Krishna remains still, yet his mind is already weaving a plan, daring, playful, and certain to test her resolve. What will he do? How far will he go to win back her smile?
चूड़ियां ले लो चूड़ियां, सुंदर हाथ के लिए सुंदर चूड़ियां, चूड़ियां ले लो, colors of love के, shades of the soul. All lovely ladies of Varsana, come on. I sell the most beautiful bangles. See, would you like to buy some? But they're for someone very special. चूड़ियां ले लो चूड़ियां.
Oh my, what a radiant gopi she is. And those beautiful bangles, they truly glow.
Oh Lali, I sell bangles. Would you like to buy some?
Oh my dear bangle seller, you're so beautiful. I think you are new to this area. I haven't seen your lovely face before.
Oh Sakhi, you are most kind. I have come from far. I have 2 kids of mine waiting to return with some earnings. You see, I sell these beautiful bangles. They are inlaid with precious stones. They shine in every hue. I also have rare mirror bangles. They reflect the beauty of any Braja Gopi, like yourself. Do you know anyone who would like to see them?
Oh my dear bangle seller, you're so beautiful. I can't take my eyes off you. Your very presence steals my glance, and your attractive body has my heart. But you don't worry. Our Queen of Compassion, Srimati Radharani, will surely buy all of your bangles. She is daughter of King Rishabhanu, and she will give you much more than they cost. Come, follow me to our palace.
बरसाने की छोरी राधा गोरी बरसाने की छोरी राधा गोरी
My heart feels so heavy today. But no, I'm not going to talk to that arrogant Krishna. He has to be taught a lesson. Lalita, Vishaka, don't plan any meets with Krishna. I'm never going to see his face again.
You've heard this so many times. Oh Vishaka, look, Chudiya le lo, Chudiya. Who is that? Her voice is too sweet to be a street seller. Let's call her. Maybe it will lift Radharani's mood.
dear Satis, I bring bangles that reflect the heart. Perhaps the Queen of Varsana would like me to offer some.
I don't buy bangles from strangers. And is she even a real seller? Or is it just one of Krishna's tricks in business? So go to the market and sell your goods.
Forgive me, Devi. I have come from far. I have 2 kids of mine waiting for me to return with some earnings. But no market has risks like yours.
Oh, a bangle seller with poetic taste? Mathura accent, but rock style charm. Suspicious. Her eyes, they sparkle like, well, someone familiar.
Let her show the bangles, Radhe. At least, let's see what color she carries.
No, I can't take that chance. It might be one of Krishna's tricks again.
Oh, Queen, let me show you some bangles. Look at these red ones. They match your anger. Look at these green ones. They match your calm. Well, I have these blue ones. They match the color of your beloved.
Take them away. I don't wear anything that reminds me of him.
But Rahul, everything reminds you of him. True, even this bangle seller's voice reminds me of Shyamasundar.
Forgive me. Please, just try one pair. No cost. Only a smile in return. Look at how she's hiding her face.
Look at her feet. Not a bangle wali's walk, that's a Gopa's stride. I'm ahead of you. You say you're from Mathura, right?
Yes, Sakhi.
Then why don't you sing us the Mathura bhajan?
No, I don't know how to sing.
Come on, sing it for me.
Well, I can try. Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopal Nandalal. 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 Gopal Nandalal. Gopal Nandalal.
Stop! What is wrong with all of you? I don't want to hear Krishna's names again. Why is everyone singing his names when he's the cause of all this pain?
Even your songs are about him?
Well, in Vraja, even silence says Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam. 1 minute. I have something special. I bring you a bangle most rare. Its golden glow is like the rays of sunrise touching the waters of Yamuna. Its curve is made to embrace something more precious. And when this rests in the right place, it makes beauty shine brighter.
How lovely! Its gentle light, its graceful form, every bit of it reminds me of my beloved Krishna, who also knows how to make beauty shine brighter. But anyways, come and help me wear the bangle.
No, I cannot do that. I am not qualified.
Only you can help me wear it, O Sakhi.
What's wrong? Saki?
Radhe! Girl, are you alright? Wait, help her up!
Wait, a flute? A flute tucked inside her skirt? This is no gopi selling bangles.
A flute? But this means it's him.
This is Nanda Maharaj's clever son, Krishna. He has tricked us again. Entered Radharani's palace, undetected by all of us.
Krishna, is that you again? Who let him in? Am I being fooled once more? Cheated by that smile? By those eyes? Take him away.
Oh Krishna, not again.
Such a trickster. We should be very angry. Very, very angry. We knew it was you all along.
Krishna, why did you do this? You know, no matter how many times you try to trick me, you always and always have a place in my heart. Then why this disguise? Why not come to me as you, Krishna?
Because you won't see me as myself. Therefore, I had to come as nobody, as a bangle seller, just to see you smile.
You trouble me so much, yet I cannot turn you away.
May I place that bangle in your wrist?
But on one condition, no more disguises.
Well, I can promise no more disguises, but not no more leelas.
Shri Shri Radha Shyam Sundar ki Jai Jai Shri Radhesha.
Hare Krishna. We thank you all so much for bearing with us and giving all your time. And let me introduce the characters. Starting with the drama, we have Veena as playing as Shama Gopi, who's Krishna disguised to come and console Radharani. Then we have Tejaswini as Champak Lata Sakhi. We have Harismita as Radharani. We have Ayushi as Lalita. We have Priti as Vishakha. We have Snigdha as Tungavidya. We have Vaishnavi as Induleka. And we have Chaitanya as Chitra.
Thank you all. Now coming to the dance, we have Shreya as Lord Krishna. Then we have Sahana as Radharani. Radharani and Gopi in the second dance. And we have Shruti. We have Nitya as the Gopa in the first and then the Gopi in the second. Then we have Dhanakirti as a Gopa and then a Gopi. Then we have Vaishnavi as a Gopi. Then we have Bhakti as a Gopi. And we have Nandini as a Gopa in the first and then Gopi. And then we have Jayashree as a Gopi as well. And myself as a Gopa in the first and Radharani in the second.
And this dance wouldn't be possible without Rajpriya's choreography. A big round of applause for that.
And the drama would be incomplete without Rameshwari's meticulous coordination, effort, production, all of it. And very important, the one who transported us all to Vrindavan with her narration, Nandini. We thank all the authorities, the temple, the ISKCON Girls Forum, the Matajis, Radha Bhavini Mataji, Sneha Mati Mataji, Champaklata Mataji, Shama Manjri Mataji, Amala Bhakti Mataji, and all the others for their guidance, their support. None of this would have been possible without them, so we thank the Matajis so much. And all the volunteers for being there and helping us getting dressed with the props and all. So thank you to all the volunteers as well. Thank you to Subhadra Mataji for the wonderful Gopi dots. To all the boys for the curtains and Suvarna Mataji as well. So yes, I'm so sorry if I missed out anyone.
Very good. Nobody wants all the organizers to be on the stage.
Oh yeah, definitely, we'd be honored. Thank you so much. Yeah.
All the organizers.
We request all the organizers, all the Matajis, all the volunteers, everyone who's been a part of this, to kindly come on stage.
Whatever you have performed today is a 30 years dream come true today. We should do it in Hare Krishna a long time back. When we came out, we didn't know what to do, but the dream was there. But you fulfilled the dream, and the recording will go to my spiritual master, Jai Bharat Maharaj. And I'm sure he will ask you to do something in Mayapur also. It was outstanding. It was outstanding. Every one of you were just class one. All right, all the best. The floor is yours. Anytime you want to dance, this is here. Or you can make us dance.
Everybody will vouch for this. All this would not be possible without the great great support of the Philips Nandari Chaitanya. Thank you so much.